So to start the school year, we are first going to be talking about rational and irrational numbers. This will complete your education in the real number system that you've been learning since kindergarten. So natural numbers are what you started learning in kindergarten and elementary school, and those just consist of positive whole numbers. You were eventually introduced to whole numbers, which only included or added 0 to what you already knew. So that was the important addition. After that, in middle school, around 6th grade, you started talking about integers with your teachers. Integers started looking at the left side of the number line, and we know that at the left side of the number line, that is where numbers start to become negative. So this included negative numbers, 0, and positive whole numbers. We're going to review rational numbers, which you learned last year in 9th grade and also in 8th grade. And that includes the negative numbers. It also includes decimals. It includes 0. It includes positive whole numbers. It also includes the square root of 2. So we have negative numbers, decimals or fractions, positive whole numbers, and square roots. Now the last thing that we're going to be talking about are irrational numbers. You'll notice that this is off to the side because it does not correspond with the rest of the information. It is unique in that way. So irrational numbers are numbers that do not have a repeating decimal, or in other words, cannot be written as a fraction, and we're going to review that down below. So those numbers include, the most common one is pi, because as you'll know, pi is 3.14 ... and it has a bunch of numbers going on forever and ever and ever. Therefore, it does not terminate, nor does it repeat the same pattern. Other numbers include the square root of 2. So I apologize. Please change this to the square root of 4. And you could also include negative square roots such as 6, and so on and so forth. So to summarize, rational numbers are positive and negative whole numbers. They are also fractions, and they are decimals that repeat. For example, 1.2222 with the repeat symbol over the top to show that it's repeating, or decimals that terminate, such as 1.2. Terminate means to end. Irrational numbers are decimals that do not terminate. So they do not end. And again, that could be something like 1.24673 ... Notice that there is no repeat sign. Instead, there is an ellipses to indicate that it goes on and on forever. For now, we are going to skip this part of the notes for time's sake, so you may cross that out.